Insurance. It's a word everyone talks about, but let's be honest, few of us really understand it. Maybe you've heard terms like premium, deductible, or coverage limit and just thought, this sounds way too complicated. Well, you're not alone. In 2025, a study found that more than 60% of Americans say they are not even sure what kind of insurance they actually need. So today, let's change that. We're going to simplify insurance step by step. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to choose the right insurance plan for you and never feel confused again. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1 is simple. Understand what you're protecting. Insurance is not one size fits all. Each policy exists to protect something different. Your life, your health, your car, your home, or even your income. Ask yourself this one simple question. If something went wrong today, what financial loss would hurt me the most? If the answer is unexpected hospital bills, you should start with health insurance. If it's making sure your family is secure no matter what, consider life insurance. If it's your car or your home, then begin with auto or home insurance. Remember, you're not just buying a piece of paper. You're buying protection for your biggest worries. Step 2. Set your budget. Know what you can actually afford. Insurance should protect your finances, not drain them. That's why you need to find a balance between the premium and the coverage. The premium is the amount you pay each month. The coverage is the amount the insurance company will pay when you need help. A cheap plan might look great today, but it could cost you a lot more later in deductibles or copays. On the other hand, a premium plan might cover almost everything, but it could strain your monthly budget. Here's a pro tip. Choose a plan that you can comfortably keep paying, even if your income drops for a few months. Consistency is what keeps you protected. Step 3. Compare your coverage options carefully. Don't just look at the price, read what each plan actually covers. For health insurance, you need to check these 4 things. First, the network of doctors and hospitals you can use. Second, the deductible, which is what you pay before your insurance starts helping. Third, the copays and coinsurance percentages. And fourth, the annual out-of-pocket limit, which is your maximum financial exposure for the year. For auto and home insurance, focus on things like collision versus comprehensive coverage, the liability limit for your legal protection, and any add-ons like rental car coverage, natural disaster protection, or theft protection. Don't skip the fine print. That's where you find out what's not covered. It's better to spend 10 extra minutes reading now than to lose thousands of dollars later. Step 4. Check the company's reputation. All insurers promise to help you on your worst day, but not all of them deliver on that promise. Before you sign any policy, check the company's financial rating. Look for an A or better from agencies like AM Best or Moody's. Also, read customer reviews, especially about how quickly they handle claims. And finally, check their customer service response time. If you see a pattern of delayed claims or unanswered calls, that's a huge red flag. Walk away. Because insurance isn't just about money. It's about having trust when you're under pressure. Step 5. Review and update your plan every single year. Life changes, and so should your insurance. Did you get married, buy a home, start a new job, or have kids? Each of these life events changes your financial risk and your coverage needs. Once a year, set a policy review day on your calendar. Read your plan summary and ask one simple question. If something big happened today, would this policy still protect me? If the answer is no, it's time to adjust it. Small, regular reviews can prevent huge regrets down the road. And here's a bonus step. If you're still feeling unsure, don't guess. Ask a licensed agent or an independent advisor for help. Their job is to compare plans for you and explain all the details in plain English. A 10-minute conversation with a professional can save you thousands of dollars later on. Choosing insurance isn't about fear. It's about giving yourself confidence. When you understand what you're buying, you take control of your future. So follow these 5 steps. Understand, budget, compare, trust, and review, and you'll never feel lost in the world of insurance again. Because in the end, the best policy you can have is knowledge, and that kind of coverage never expires. If this video helped you understand how to choose insurance like a pro, subscribe to US Insurance, where we turn complex finance into simple stories that protect your future. Thanks for watching. For Cuban